A large luggage compartment makes everyday life easier. Be it for leisure, shopping, or for your holiday. The ID.7 Tourer provides even more space in the luggage compartment if you bring the rear seat backrest a little more upright to cargo position. The best thing about this is that the rear seat bench still remains fully usable. For long, narrow items, you can use the load-through hatch. In both ID.7 models, the rear seat bench can be folded down partially or completely. With the bench folded down completely, you have almost 3 times more storage space. The luggage compartment has a loading width of almost 1 meter and an extended loading length of almost 2 meters. There is also plenty of space towards the top. In the Tourer, significantly more than in the saloon. Remember to always secure your load properly. Practical accessories will help you do this. Your ID has a second luggage compartment floor. The perfect place for the charging cable. Underneath it, you'll find the breakdown set. You can also stow the luggage compartment cover in the second luggage compartment floor. Particularly handy, here on the side there's a 12-volt socket to connect a refrigerator box, for example. In an emergency, you must be able to reach your warning triangle quickly. That's why it's attached to the rear lid. Be it for leisure or everyday use, you can take a lot with you in your ID. Also talk to your Volkswagen partner about offers from Volkswagen Accessories. There are many practical solutions that can make your everyday life easier.
Volkswagen.